Political pressure is mounting on the Tamil Nadu government over the custodial death of 35-year-old differently abled remand prisoner S. Sabarivarman, with opposition leaders demanding accountability. He died on July 13th, days after he was arrested for allegedly selling banned gutka products and lodged in the Nagarcoil sub-jail. His family alleged that he was tortured in custody and pointed to multiple injuries on his body. Police, however, maintained that he died after developing a sudden health complication in prison. The case took a new turn after the post-mortem reportedly found 19 external injuries on the victim's body. Following inquiries by the district police and a judicial magistrate, 3 prison staff, including a chief jail warden, were arrested and suspended. The charges against them have not yet been made public. The incident has triggered protest by the victim's family and intensified the political confrontation in the state. Leader of the opposition, Udayanidhi Stalin, demanded a fair investigation and questioned the alleged difference in police action in similar Gutka-related cases. Union Minister L. Murugan called for a murder case against the personnel allegedly responsible and sought compensation for the victim's family. DMK MP Kani Mosi, CPI and Nam Tamil Katchi leader Seemal also demanded strict action and an impartial probe. Murugan also questioned Chief Minister Vijay, saying that custodial deaths had continued despite earlier criticism of previous governments over similar incidents.